I didn't know about Vision 1.
Reverend Pachonya Mishro.
I mean, also.
Pachonya say, me started school, secondary school, no. Ana Yankopon and Sabam so. Rather me a Nema Bibro secondary school for me so. Every knee or mom frail saint and Nadia day. Indeed, minya gift to be visions. Me da. Without whom visions, heaven and hell, and near my baby. But previously, not meant here. But a time came one, Embra, me gusono, me bete, and near my assay. Now, recently, vision be a rather than a ditchreme, bear 1 month ago. In fact, a very serious. Anna, me say, and me baha, na my becana tea phone so ate. Nampacho vision no the me hu ye no about spiritual word, satanic word, demonic word. Ana me da ho na misua Bible. The misua Bible no na ye say emanikum. Ana am say no ene ma me nkoda me bed so kakra. Te me da bed ne so a anche be 1 to 2 minutes. E ho apena as me spirit no e free me mu. Enti me kopie baby gate kese pa ba ehon ye very dark ana man be frame me se membra man o ye TikTok in fact no ye fe pa I don't know say if or ye angel or what but ye very TikTok no ye fe to frame se membra no say o ko kire me adie bi enti o ka say Satan ewo word akese mako 3 that's marine word, satanic word, any demonic word. Na marine word no eye atumi omo ensu ase. Na omo penny pane mame wata. Ana yesawo demonic word. Na demonic word no so yatichem bebre. Ebi eye heavy word ahonhom etete ho ahonhom akesi omo ye from principalities. Na sa ahonhom we oka kire me say omo wo sa esoro no omo na omu si a Christopher omo ye weak empire ehun kwan ye wa Christopher bi omo ye weak because of born kitinkiti bi omo ye to omo bom empire sa ahonhom we nya tumi esi omo empire ano kwan ana sa ahonhom we kro no aye from principalities no the partial word omo ho den enti even otreni ni ababra botreni awowu nyame asoma na bofo ese omefa ni so enkosoro no sa ahonhom we etimi epese o musi obofo ne kwan to omo ne obofo ne struggle enti emra o kire me no o kire made bi ase ni so bi ewu e wasase so a owu ya na ne honhom free ni mu epieye ne honhom free ni mu pie na obofo be so ne nsa so de na ekọ na odi ni drew one word yewo ahoma kesi demons omo ho den in fact omo ho den demons ni bi ho den se nyame abofo enti abna abofo no na omo ye 3 omo de man na ekọ no omo drew one word na omo mpese omo de man ni betwam if he say omo say man no ho won kekaye bi and say okọ heaven if he say the main mission obonsambo taye nyina ne say ompese okraba akokora beko nyame ahini enti watena sase so akora babra botrene abofo befo akowa ahini mu no that principality word ye partial word omo osoro we omo ne abofo ne con struggle said uso no ombegye afiri omo nsem na baby ode me call last ehoye hu ene satanic word ehwankasa na obronsam wo ye fro the devil's domain or Satan domain na eho no ode me call ye no eho sun na ho ye very dark in fact eho esum kabi entima no ode me call ye na ne light bi free ne boso ene mami hu niema ewo ho na eho sun mitime nkompe esopa unhu beginning to the end na sa eho no ye was cells bebre ewo ho ayese prison ye was cells bebre mintime county na cells no cells bi a yɛatwerɛtwerɛ din bi ase din a na ɔma kyerɛ no ɔmo de Arabic ɛntwerɛ na atwerɛ nti na mente aseɛ nti maa na ɔde me kɔɛ no ɔbɔfoɔ na ɔde me kɔɛ no ana ne ɛkyerɛkyerɛ me aseɛ in fact ɛhɔ som nti yɛduru baabi no na souls bebree gu hɔ enipa bebree gu hɔ a yɛakyerɛ ne wɔm ana ɔbɔfoɔ no ɛka kyerɛ me sɛ aha nipa egu nyinaa no wonim sɛ ɔmo wɔ asase so anam sɛ ɔmo wɔ asase so no ɔmo saa wɔ ha ana yɛakyerɛ ne wɔm ade nti na ɔmo wɔ ha yɛakyerɛ ne wɔm ana ɔse ntwerɛ no a yɛakyerɛ no yɛnte ase saa word no duru a yɛmfa ano ne communicate yɛmfa ano ne kasa deɛ wobɛdwe wɔ tirim bi ɔmo te na wama ɛho emuaye te medwe me tirim sɛ si wee mu wɔ asase so a ade nti na ɔma ba ha enti emra medwe saa na ma no ɔna ɔbɔfoɔ no ɛka kyerɛ me sɛ wee mu nyinaa wɔ asase so na bebree yɛ kristofoɔ ɔmo wɔ ha na saa cells no ɔmo gu no ɛyɛ adwamafoɔ cells ɛna mehu demons bebree ɔmo hyɛ ɔmo so na yɛakyerɛ ne wɔm ɛna demons no ɔmo hyɛ ɔmo so no ɛmɛki sure sɛ so baako koraa escape ɛmfiri hɔ mpie demons no hu ɔmo ho ɔden mentimi compare mentimi I can't compare those demons and I can't describe them mentimi ɛnkyerɛ ɔmo su ɔmo ho yɛ hu na ɔmo yɛ different demon ebi kita boyanim ebi kita different demon na ebi waso na ebi yɛ ntiatia all kinds of demons ana ɔmo hyɛ ɔmo so na ɛhɔ yɛ saa demon oda saa cells wɔ yi a ugusu wɔ wiase udware osra okɔ adwuma oyɛ die nipa bi ayɛ nanso spiritually oda saa cells wɔ enti saa cells oda hɔ a die demons ne bɛka fiyɛ no ɛno na wote wiase a obɛyɛ ti ɔbɛfo nka kyerɛ m sɛ ɔmo mugu anyinaa no ɛyɛ nkurɔfoɔ a ana nipa ɔmo wɔ wiase a ɔmugu adwaman cells ɛwɔ Obronsam kingdom ha na the demons no beka so omo nye no eno na omo ye so they are forced to do it enye omo no omo hu biem ana ka kire m so ti asase so a it da say wu nipa no hon kronkron na control anasi demons na control obie no ti asase so ha honhom bia control no se oye Kristo na hon kronkron ba so na udi bone a who grieve on kronkron into a chin ope demons must take over and the demons will be take over spiritual omo do kwhye cells into omo na mo bodwaman yes and yemani nyina they are being forced yes shewom ana omo ye enye omo pe ana na sa fornication cells wo no na youth for ne dosun youth
no mabru ne dosu
e mabru ne dosu bebre ana e mabru no a dosu no emu mma nso na dɔɔso mma bebree nam te nipa wee nyina egu asase so ya ɛna asase so nipa nyina na awɔ ha ana ɔsi wee mu nyina egu asase so na emom ɔmo abrabɔ ɔmo bɔ no ɛyɛ demons na control ana obi a university bi wɔ Ghana kyerɛ me ɛso ɛyɛ university ɛso pa wɔ Ghana ha ɛso na university na nim no spiritual world no ɔmo atwerɛ immorality. It's like university no no unya dra ho pe said the tie bia obesha se obadwaman na o catch them say nkrofo mo university abebre egu sa the cells of fornication and o sa dem call cells foforo and no say your drunkenness
you know ewo Ghana ha enfa
pacho wo Ghana o chere university 3 me no akra ba ko Kumasi
I see.
Akɛseɛ paa. Nti wɔka kyerɛ m sɛ ɔmo unya wura hɔ pɛ na Kristo nkita mu yi a spiritual yɛ bindew ɛde ɔkɔhyɛ hɔ. Ana ɔsaa de me kɔɔ.
Sɛ wokɔ Search University no na sɛ ɔmu duro wɔ awurade mu no wɔ fam a.
Ɛwɔ fam a.
Na spiritual ɔma.
Unya wura hɔ a spiritual ɔmo bɛkyekyere na watɔ adwama mu. Nti adwama no a ɔbɔ no ɛnyɛ wo pɛ. Wopɛ sɛ wogyae. Nanso wontumi nya firi sɛ demons na control wɔ life ɛma woyɛ. The spiritual ɔhyɛ ɔmo nsa. Oya hwie nye yi na osa de me call ensadeɛ na ensadeɛ nipa bebree gu hɔ ana o ka kyerɛ m sɛ ha ɔmom wa nyina nso gu asase so na ɔmo nyina nso obi wɔ hɔ ana o ka kyerɛ m sɛ obi wɔ ɔnom nsa no wɔ sɛe ɔpɛsi wɔ gyan so ontumi nyae ne nyina sɛ demons no na hyɛ wɔm ɛma ɔmo ɛnom nsa no obi wɔ no pɛtutu so wɔ akɔ bi aba na wɔnom nsa ne nyina yɛ demons no na hyɛ wɔm enti wɔkyerɛ me cells bebree abɔdanfoɔ cells ana ɔsi wɔn mu nyinaa wɔ wiase nanso demons no yi wɔn so abɛkyekyere to a ana ɔma process body no the demon no de ɔpɛ te body no yɛ no ana ɛyɛ the body no nkɔdi di bɔɔla so na ɔkɔdidi body no nom gata mu nsuo no wɔnom nti deɛ demons no bɛ control so wɔnyɛ no ɛno na ɔmo ɛyɛ ti cells no dɔɔso bebree na mmerɛ a ɔkyerɛ me cells no bebree ewie yɛ no ɔde me kɔ baabi a ɔka kyerɛ me sɛ aha ɛyɛ cells baako ɔbonsam ani ko paa ɛhɔ yɛfrɛ no weak pastor cells asɔfoɔ genu pastors wei nyɛ false prophet genu pastors ɛnyame afrɛ ɔmo wɔ asase so ha no bɔne bi ɔmo di nti na ɔbonsam anya akwan akyekyere ɔmo ahyɛ hɔ na ɔka kyerɛ me sɛ bɔne a ɔmo di pa a ɛtumi ma ɔmo ba ɔkɛseɛ yɛ dwamabɔ na mehu ɔkyerɛ nipa bebree na madamfo sɔfoɔ bi amna ne hyɛ nyamesom ase wɔ school mehu ɔno nso wɔ hɔ bi nti after the vision me frɛ ne ka kyerɛ sɛ masa sɛ ne mehu na adeɛ na mehu no ɔbɔfoɔ ka kyerɛ me sɛ wohyɛ hɔ bi a one wontumi mmɔ mpaeɛ wontumi empreach the gospel untimi nyɛ fasting de bia be feel last answer no binda and I see from last week sa na feel and I'm saying you omo mpae fi se ne mehu ento ɔhyase so wo bom mpae na sa particular cells no obronsam ani ku if it's a papa catch them see the into obronsam ani ku that particular cells no say all those pastors asofo no mo nyina kitankrofo destiny as we jam mo mu pie ba ebe man kingdom abefom enti no de obonsam ani ko pompesi obia be firi ho aba na demons no so omo hwe ehɔ de no omo yi different demons omo ho den pa ana omo hwe that cells ho na that cells no every day obonsam a list of people we are demon bi on in charge of death. He is the demon in charge of death. And every day, obonsam throw list of people from each cell. Cell biano or tron crofubio mugu cells would ding at the demons in charge of death. No, as the onko you ne onko munyina. Into what yasa so not every day you throw within your kuma. You have to leave this world. Ana obofon catch them say you will nipa be break yasa so or mowu. Enti wanye lucky spiritual omu wa ubewu instant and also on some days 1 day 2 days and now 1 month and now any other day be on person the mobia on betime de okra no omokune that the spiritual world na koma car akoma and robbers akoma ekwan be on person fa sukun bia so omokun hunhum there you have to leave this world and come to them enti okatch them see owuo no a ombekuno analyst no otro anopa fuodin awia anwumre na najo enti ya womo yeku omo anopa ya womo ku omo anwumre ya womo ku omo awia ne anajo to obi wo ha anope woni nam ho bibia nye no ba spiritual world yeku no tama ye dia ma no bia one day to obi aka no one day onyare onya hwe be san se yeku spiritual world enti you have to leave this world in fact enti pacho put am de bema and sorry ma ewo Ghana he nyina say omo mpaye mo masofo asofo bebre egu ehye bebre mintmen kan bebre na obofo kan say we munye fake pastors
they are not fake pastors
they are genuine pastors
nyame called by God
nyame na afro
omo spirit of last aya keji
ya maya keji o se bone etime do mba opaye adwaman woni oyo osofo na obi koda bia saa we ne beba so ana wo kire me say marine ward no obonsama ma me wata command strictly command eti won fa enipa bebre mre wiase e mayo mo ho fe enti reverend enipa bebre metimi aka say about 50% of enipa ya dwun so mo ye nipa no omunye nipa etu be ho ba bi no ho fe onye nipa ya soma no eti omfa me hwiase na odimi dru ba bi no demons akɛseɛ kita books bebree demons akɛseɛ vision no ɛdɔɔso mesɔre a mekyerɛeɛ no adeɛ kyeeɛ ne deɛ mekyerɛ na ayera bɛɛdaa me wɔ nyam na obi ana wɔ hɔ menkwa na mo ba
book na wotro sorry
ya mekyerɛ vision ni nyinaa wɔ mu no mehwehwɛ metu me books nyinaa ma hu metu books nyinaa enti mesa fa book we ana mesa efa de me kae no ana me tro wum tro ni nyina enti o ka kyerem so we release emma ana fi wase release mema be ma na doors every spiritual world abiwi ase e be ma Christopher ene asofo ahwe ase na mema no mu dwuma do mbedini se obronsama mo musika waye o ma defo ana say Bible say we ase be kwa wie ya ho kire beba ente Christopher mo na ma ho kire mu no especially mayo ano na sa emema no ye release o ma free epoase ba no o musika no ma kodu mo chi no mo do ma hwe ase enti amia gi akeji nipa bebre e was spiritual world na book bi ana demons ekita no so books no demons a group of demons so books no mu kita ni nyina ye all the genuine Christian din wom a Christopher mu ye genuine nyina din wom ana obronsam after demons wa command them. The devil have mission on earth. Every day biano or through the list of a nipa demons nemramo meshiase. And so when to me a compression worker punishment wo home the bema ultimate a compression so your obema promotion enti obronsam buofu ana obofo say minim de enti obronsam buofu sa na ni ayeko na ni buofu or say ni mission e wo wiase say on pese okra bia ebenya nyankopon hini to okra wa babrabo pa wo pese okwa heaven no o pese wo su kwan obetoto ano na obofo na kosa say okra we media fi so wo wiase no twantro adenti na okwa hini o wo wiase no yesi o wo wiase no yesi enti ni mission so on pese okra bia ebekọ na osro hinim enti de bia no owo mission anopa awia wo command demons strictly so mu mewiase ema asofo ene a Christopher eme fole na sa book no ayewo a Christopher bebre din wo no de bia no o ma the list of names of a Christopher all over the world no a command in fact demons dozen demons ebeye over 1,000 times enipa wo wiase enti sadie aya de bia fele se nyame abofo wo ho no aya fa show trim se demons so eben na demons ni benya kwan entawa enambone a wobedi so the only loophole on benya kwan e de awura mu eye bone a wobedi demons so dosun enti ye woni pa ba kumpa demons be 1,000 ene dinachi the woka Mark chapter 5 Bible say man no wabodam wo ewo Gadara no or say moya hin or say ya dosun ye 2,000 enipa ba ko the demons e dosun bebre to obonsam soma demon ba nchen ya in fact soma demons omo ho odin na wa command them strictly or the abufuo say one ma we yan fole a entine maifo ye djuma entine omo ye djuma mo obonsam ye djuma if you say one ya punishment ye de be ma no untimi eni so.
Okay, before about to us no o share Facebook o mo share on Facebook se sia no lady bia confirm bia ma o say friend no Janet Ampadu o say hey Reverend, that's why I can't stop sleeping with guys. I was 26 years old. I'm 26 years and I've slept with 35 men.
Wow.
26 years old. What remember makoma ko aduasan nada.
Yeah.
And that is confirming what you are saying.
Yeah. The Reverend fornication cells ne dey you to for ne dozen. Now before we be free cells no me be so often say before be free by then we free cells wo. And now see so when in them we are here before be me escape you from cells no. I just say a very powerful genuine man of God a bompaye amount a deliver and you deliver pe obe vanish okra ne be vanish e be yira e free cells wo. And I say nyankopon ni pe be kenyame asem na aton akoma no aka ma repent unya nuhu ape e yesu so no e vanish from the cells.
Wow.
Enti Reverend Pacho vision no the enti amamba tese vision no bem
Really?
Obem pa na baby a obem no wanti me di kan ka see demons akese bi kita books of genuine Christians, genuine Christians. Na sa genuine Christian ni genuine men of God no. De bia no sa book no mu kita no. Ya wa list of people ya take say mon konko meki mon konko ma omo enhwe ase. Enti de bia demons no e be soma omo no. They are coming with power. Enti we Christo ne na wo mompaya anopa Bible say ya mompaya mre. We Christo na mompaya na de bia di no wada. oh problem because say uko who demons any ahonhoma ye no mo delia reverend tam wo ha ka meka the third kingdom of the devil
and Monday about to us
and niema ewo ho because marine spirit no we von any eyelashes any the addict kan ya no
men free media no about so nyame adman
okay
muso na me din wan
me pa cho demons na kita books akese no omo with dean of genuine pastors and genuine Christians na ochire me wie na o se we mu nyina no ye won people of enipa bia ye take omo every day bia no obonsam am command say omo nko no omo fole said bia obenya omo so aba ahini ho na hini ho ye kase ye chiro din si ye nkokun na ye be you free self wa ye mfa dade antu mini mu a demons na dragel ewo form baby a self the one no e different from hell okay e be ye free akra kokumase na obonsam domain ho no e ho ye basa ase meta dade into omo bebe dragu so no sa akoto hell tienya do to hell pa e kire spiritually wawu you have to die on this earth enti u pa obeti wani na da hell free spiritual edwa to hell na me say un book kesiye bi ye frɛ no the judgment book of Satan the judgment book of Satan so book no esun na ye the red ink na atwero ana obofon ka kire say we enye pen eye moja ana odi atwero na obi e book mo obi e say book na ende obonsam ankasa ne kita obi e mo no ana say odi ni buofu na say this people I must deal with them as for this one and no ankasa ne kita the devil himself on his throne ankasa ne kita book see
okay
and we are quite different from other books no demons no kita no the genuine Christian the woman
okay
where the a specific book be a esun na I can't describe it you no obi mo pena or say these people I must deal with them these people I must deal with them enti obi mo na obofo ma mi hu eniema wo book nim na your country's name that is Ghana Nigeria and other names now under the country name there are specific people edin bi ayatro say nkrofo no according to obonsan they are all pastors the nkrofo according to the devil no or say omo ye threat into his kingdom
really
omo ha ne kingdom na o kire di into omo ha ne kingdom na obofo no ma mi hu ho yisum into obi book no kro hu ana book na mo ye black te wan fa light wo wo ne bonam to so wu hu to de to Ghana din so edin bebre na mi hu 5 pe a war bronsam book no ankasa o so mo ye thread into skid omo ha na hinie ni mission omo pese ebebem ama no na
first name ye hwan
first name ne Reverend Anthony Kwajobuache
second name ye hwan
Reverend Anaya Osafo
third name ye hwan
Reverend Iswood Anaba
fourth name ye hwan
Bishop Darkward Mills
fifth name ye hwan
Prophet Nanase Sakodi
I see twaso
pacho ti o sister asofo we ha na hinie na Reverend wona atoso mienu na obonsomani abre na ni aboso mo ha na hinie no ma 5 reason to mo ha na hinie o se first one omu bi o ma no kasa ejeje won the camp o se Japan buofu enti de bia no they are not comfortable at their camp and on mpaye no because o makoma ye pure na omu live holy life na brabo sunyame ni nyame amomu tuminti enye Kristo ni bia na bompai Kristo ni bi mpai bo enru nyame ni muda efi se wote bonim na bompai ta Kristo for all night e bompai but boni atimunti abofo no osoro no hodi but these people was say omo mpai bo dija eto omo hiniem cause confusion de bia and I say omo preaching no ji akra kakra bebe wo bronsam campo a wakekere wom se mo kasa senya na eto obi akoma so na osakira eyese se okra no e vanish ebi on so nyame teme fa mo honhom ekọ campo ekọ bie gauge no because nyame amom tumi nti mo kọ na mu bie senya obofo no e demonstrate kire me oyi kire me mokona mu bie gauge ni senya mo command ni pass mumpie yes a demons need to menya hwe because you are going there with power enti obonsam say mo hana hini enti these people I must deal with them yes yes me mo hwe na me o kasa no ogu so kasa na demons akesiye another rank of demons. I can't describe them. Omo no omo so wa ana omo apie and asem can say master live forever. We are ready to make this people fall. Omo can 3 times. We are ready to make this people fall. Say benam di kind ahomaso so. Ahomaso. Ye toss me the love of money. Ye toss me and sta obonsam wo journalist wo bi e wo Ghana ha oyibe kire journalist wo bi wo Ghana ha they are demon possessed. Obena almost was them and croffu wedding. Obena almost was sell radio so for numno. The Omonia, Yomo the best 2 almost so. On better decide I can come home them. That be a nipa be lose hope a woman. But these are the people a rather person or nam so a building the kingdom. If we say Yanko Pom the nation or Bruson will send a better bang. To a person for always so. Capture all souls or nam afedia so or nam and near maybe so capture all souls. But these are the men who are able to stand for God with holiness, with enity or yami any kumu or the above one catching and sing yami and you kumu now do a back come on or no akonu yami do be or the back come be good anymore say or be a obey if you say yami and you kumu pa now because yami and you kumu so may threat to the kingdom of the devil. If it's a source no catch on a person do munina ko hell no monam deliverance so mon pai bosso any preach many persachra masos nina a free ho the demons make us say we are ready to go and make them fall into yebeko into another catch and say go and destroy them all. Go and destroy them all. Or can I say 3 times? And all can I say the demons now holding now so they can say go destroy them. Go destroy monko sell. And I do above one I catch them and say these pastors in particular must get personal prayer warriors that will pray for them 24 hours. Because demons know me who they are not demons or any pastor can stand them. They are not your demons there. Nyamiabo for bimu cannot stand them. This or buff will be ebe buawom. And yes, me. Or for instance, so no na or buff one befan or didn't go heaven no. And the demons nene kono. Demons neke chiri so no. Demons neke chiri so no. Ebe 1 hour whilst I was waiting. Eso ma so ne enkoda. A weapon another 2 demons through. Someone and they said demons never coin so mutimi or mako. So there are some demons who the radimon to me pa on them more folly. To the above one catching and said these people yamini kumu tomon prayer word down intercede for them every day, every night. They should pray for them strongly. And yes, sir, they are mission from the devil's camp upon those people.
We are covered by the blood of Jesus.
Audio Jungle.